$1 million in 30 minutes. That's what happened to one of the business owners over on TikTok because of TikTok Shop. And in today's video, I want to talk to you all about how to get started with TikTok Shop and TikTok Live so that you can make money selling your physical products. So welcome back to my channel where I teach you all about building a business, marketing a business, and making money online. Today, we are starting a conversation all about TikTok Shop. Now, there are two aspects of TikTok Shop. There is the content creator for TikTok Shop, and then there is the business owner. This part one video is going to be for the business owner. So if you're someone and you want to make money selling other people's products in TikTok Shop, hit subscribe on the channel, and then a new video is going to come out very soon teaching you how to make money on TikTok Shop as a content creator. Now, as a business owner, oftentimes many businesses are still in this time where they just, first of all, don't really realize the power of what's happening over on TikTok. People kind of still think that TikTok is what was happening in 2020 when everybody was dancing and doing challenges. And while all of that is still available, it has evolved into something a lot bigger, just beyond, all right? And then TikTok Shop actually came about in September of 2023. And so here we are a year later, and majority of product-based business owners have no idea that TikTok Shop exists or what they could be doing to sell their products. And so today I wanted to talk about that. So one of the things that as a business owner is that you're trying to get your products in the hand of your customer. And oftentimes we are running Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or posting organic content on multiple social platforms in an effort to sell our products. Now, listen, I am not against any of that. I am pro all of that. However, if you are at this point in time in your business and you're like, I need to skyrocket my sales, I need to make money every single day from the least amount of effort, then you have got to get started using TikTok Shop. So one of the first things is that you're going to have to go to TikTok. Let me go to Google really quickly, and I'm going to tell you exactly what that web address is, okay? And so I'm pretty sure it's going to be, let's see, TikTok Shop. All right, I'm going to do a quick Google search. Can't remember the actual name. There we go. So it is business.tiktokshop.com, business.tiktokshop.com. And you want to go ahead and you want to go through the process of completing it, okay? So I'm going to do a quick Google search just so we can kind of go over it together, all right? How to get started selling on TikTok Shop. You hear me say this, that means you can do it too here on Google, all right? So there are a couple different things that TikTok requires in order for you to get a TikTok Shop. So first things first, you have to go and try to set up a shop. You have to provide TikTok with your TikTok account number, your phone number, email, and required documents to verify your personal identity. Then you have to add your products to TikTok Shop. You link your shop to your TikTok account, and then you start creating content. Now, it is important to know that with your shop on TikTok, they're going to ask you for your EIN, articles of incorporation. They're going to ask you for all the legal things because they got to make sure that you're a legit business. Because when you start posting on TikTok Shop, your product is going to sell like crazy. And TikTok wants to make sure that, first of all, you're a real business, that if people start sending money or like paying for things, that you actually are legit, you know what I mean? And that you can handle people actually purchasing products from you. So go through that process of setting all that up. All right. Now, it's very similar to Shopify. Now, you can sell directly in TikTok, or you can actually connect your TikTok shop to Shopify. It is completely up to you. Most of my friends, they connect their shops to TikTok and let TikTok help them with a lot of the customer service and things of that nature. All right. So the way that it works is that you are going to tell TikTok what your inventory is, right? So for example, I have my little bag here of my little lipsticks, okay? And I don't sell lipstick, but just, you know, just for conversation's sake. Let's just say that I sell, let's see, I got lipsticks. Okay, let's say I sell this lip gloss. I sell this matte lip gloss, and then I sell this matte lip gloss. Well, I can tell TikTok I have 3 of these, 10 of these, 20 of these, right? And basically you start selling. Now, what you don't want to do is to tell TikTok, I've got 5,000 of a thing and you only have 20, because you are going to find that your products are going to run off the shelves so fast that your head is going to spin. Okay. But one of the big requirements of TikTok Shop is that you have to be able to ship your products in 2 days, not 3, not 4, not a week, 2. That the moment someone buys your product, you have to literally get that product out in 2 days. That is the heightened requirement of a TikTok shop. So if you are going to start selling on TikTok, then you've got to make sure that you can manage the shipping, okay? That's why you want to put just the amount that you actually have on hand. Like if you make things from scratch, you only list what you have, okay? Because one of the ways that people are selling on TikTok Shop is through affiliates, like content creators. So I am a content creator. And what happens with TikTok Shop is that when you put your inventory in TikTok Shop, you tell it how much it's going to cost, and you can decide if you want creators to help sell your products for you. If you do want us to sell your products for you, then you have to determine what is the percentage you will pay us per item sold. Okay. Now it can't be like 1% because clearly nobody's going to sell it. So you'll put the products in there and how much you're willing to for us to make when we are selling your products. And sometimes we will sell out your products. You'll be like, what happened? We sold them out. But let's just say that I sold 10,000 of your products and you only had 5. That's a problem. And your shop is going to get shut down. Okay. If you're not fulfilling your orders within 2 days and abiding by TikTok's guidelines, TikTok will shut down your account and you don't want that. So make sure you are limiting your shop to the amount that you actually have available. Okay. Now you don't have to let creators sell your products for you, but that's one of the fastest and easiest ways to sell. The second fastest way to sell is TikTok Live. Now listen, I taught a class yesterday with my friend Shan. She sells candles, and we taught a class for 2.5 hours, and then she went live on TikTok. Okay. Now, what happens is that she can go live and she can promote her products to the people that come into the room. Within 5 minutes, she had 200 people in the room. She does not have a large following on TikTok, but when you have a TikTok shop and you go live, TikTok is going to push people to your content so fast. You'll be, that's what I'm telling you, you're going to be amazed. And sometimes what you can do is you can sell your products at the normal rate. But what she did yesterday was she did a flash deal where her candles were normally $9. She sold them for $5. She sold over $1,000 in candles in very, very short amount of time. One business owner on TikTok prepared for what she was going to do, and she had been selling on Shop for a while, and she ended up selling over $1 million on TikTok Live in 30 minutes. Now, this sounds great to do that, but she also had a lot of inventory and people to help her get her products out, right? So what I'm saying to you is this: if you want the fastest way to sell your products right now using social media, you've got to set up a TikTok shop and you have got to go live on TikTok. You are going to be amazed at what has happened for you and can happen for your business. But you've got to set up the shop first and you've got to get approved. TikTok pretty much approves everybody, but you want to make sure you have all the things together, okay? So we're going to do a part 2 all about how content creators can make money on TikTok shop. But if you have any questions about this, please ask me in the comments. Share this video with someone that you know has a product-based business. I want to help them to be able to sell more products, especially because the holidays are coming. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you want some more coaching on this, there's a link in the description and you can book a call for some coaching together. I cannot wait to see you on TikTok shop and blowing up your holidays.